Good day, Pinoy Flixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to look at some of our lantern trades. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package care of a trade from a local player here in the Philippines. As you can see, it's wrapped in a paper bag of Mylin's Bake Shop. You can check them out, mylinsbakeshop.com, for, I would imagine, cake goodies. For this one, we're going to look at Heroclix goodies. Okay. Oops. By the way, shout out to our trade guy, Ephraim. Okay. So we've done a lot of trades before. This one is no different. But I got this by trading up the Bifrost set as well as the Super Pets set. Okay, which is fine. As because we're always trying to move product in and out, left and right, up and down, and whatnot. So this was also an opportunity for us to send to each other figures that we have deals with before, okay, because we've been holding on onto it for the longest time. Well, we'll do that second. Okay, well, I'll show you what I mean. I also bought and traded some figures with him, and I wasn't able to get them before, so I asked him to ship it together with the latest trades. And the old trade items are X-Men related. You can see here a couple of brood, okay, in their flight stand. Okay, I like collecting this because maybe one day they can get legacy. If not, then I can just display them. They are generics. Okay, so we also have the mindless one, okay, from GSX. I have a bunch of these already, and 5 skinless men. I only have a couple of these, so I'm glad now that I have 7. Okay. From Rise and Fall or Empire. I can't remember the set symbol. But anyway, that's the first booster. I don't see the cards. Maybe it's in the other one. And the other one is primarily Lantern Legacy trades, and you can see it already here. We have the Chase Mogo. Okay, this is our big boy trade. Okay. Lantern is not, of course, my main collection, but I'll probably just sell or trade this for an X-Men figure. Upcoming X-Men. X-Men is fast approaching, so this can be a good trade piece. If not, I can just use him. No worries. Some more figures. Star Sapphire Ring. I don't have this yet, but we're not too eager to collect all the, we call this, constructs. You have an Indigo and Soundwave chain. Okay, and then we have Super Police. Okay, so I mistakenly gave him a Super Police instead of a Bizarro Police. Shiar Soldier and Black Lantern Recruit. Okay, checking that everything is in order, especially the chase card. And lastly, a Firestorm Legacy card. I have the figure, so now I'll be able to bundle them. Scar team up also. Mogo, we have to seal him away. The flat Earth, flat planet Mogo. Okay, which is he's good. I think he is potentially meta. Sorry for that. My alarm went off and it cut the video. But as I was saying, Mogo is good and potentially meta. It's not my kind of play style for those who know me, but I can definitely see him in some of my teams if I have 40 point that I can determine what to use, and prob is always something I need given my dice rolls. We have the Black Lantern Reanimates, Sapphire Ring, Chain and Wave, Sound Wave, Mindless Ones, and a Sheer Soldier. Okay, so everything seems to be in order. Again, thank you very much, Ephraim, for the trade. Looking forward to our next one. And until next time, oops, bye.